Greetings to all of humanity. It's really a joy, it's my pleasure, it's my honor, as usual, being out here, well connected with nature, and bringing to you this message of emancipation, whereby I'm pointing you to look inwardly to discover that your real identity is your divinity. And that is why I want to speak to you today concerning cosmic consciousness and cosmic money. Now, when I speak of cosmic consciousness, I'm speaking of this universal consciousness of oneness. I'm speaking of this universal consciousness of which we all are connected to. There are certain laws that governs all of humanity, and these laws are cosmic laws. They all are part of the cosmos, and we all know the cosmos as that wide expanse that we see on the outside. But there's a wide expanse on the inside also, and we want it to be more connected with that which is within. That is why you're told that the kingdom of God is within you in the Bible. But many people use the Bible as a religious tool. But I'm saying it's an instructional tool to teach you how to create your reality consciously by understanding cosmic consciousness and cosmic money. Now, money is the medium of exchange, and that is why you need to be familiar with cosmic money. Now, in order to be familiar with cosmic money, you have to understand that the Bible addresses the human mind and must be interpreted psychologically. Because when you have that understanding, you will come to realize that it is your own thoughts that is creating your reality and creating your personality. Therefore, there is a cosmic world of thoughts, energy, vibration, and frequency. Therefore, money was for us a thought. It was for us an idea. It was for us imagine. So the first conception of money is in the cosmic realm. It is in the universal realm of the invisible. So I'm speaking about the visible and the invisible. Okay? So cosmic money starts from within. So money is mental, it is psychological. And your existence is mental, it is psychological. Therefore, there's one universal consciousness that links all of us together. And there's one medium of exchange that links us all together also. And I'm saying to you that it's all energy. So money is energy. So until you get the understanding that money is actually energy and that you are money, you will never be able to understand how to link your awareness or your consciousness of being to increase in money or to increase in everything in this world. Okay? Because you have divided yourself and separate yourself from this whole cosmos or from the cosmic realm. You have separated yourself from the universe. But I'm saying to you, when you get more understanding of your oneness and you accept your oneness, you believe in your oneness by embracing yourself and loving yourself, then you will be able to understand how to use your imagination for abundance and prosperity and plenty of money. But you have to see money cosmically or cosmically. Okay? Hope I'm saying those words right. But that's how you have to see money. So you have to see money from a spiritual realm, from a spiritual standpoint. So when you accept your cosmic consciousness, it is you accepting the God that is within you. It is you accepting the kingdom that is within you and accept to walk from the kingdom that is within you. Therefore, if you're going to walk from the kingdom that is within you, you have to know that you are the image maker. Okay? You have to know that you are the Lord and Master. You are the creator of your own destiny and that you can create your reality consciously. Therefore, you having more money or less money, it have to do with your mentality. So that's the point I really want to get to you concerning your cosmic consciousness and cosmic money. What I'm trying to do is to give you a better understanding of money by letting you know that you are a mass of energy and money is a mass of energy. So you are money. So if there's lack in your life, it means that you are denying yourself. You're denying your cosmic self. You're denying your energy body. You're not getting in touch with your energy body, which is your cosmic body. It means you are letting the outside decide your destiny. But I'm saying to you, let what is taking place within, by you focusing within, let that decide your destiny. So my brother, my sisters, you know whether you want more money. You know whether you are experiencing lack in your life. You know exactly where you are. And you must know where you want to be. Therefore, my encouragement to you is to look inwardly and to be more in touch with your cosmic consciousness, which is your true essence, your true self, and learn to have the right understanding of money, have the right understanding of wealth. For example, when I look around here, I'm just seeing abundance. I look all around me, I'm seeing abundance. Look at nature and you see abundance, and connect yourself with nature also. That's why the cosmic consciousness is very important, because when you have that cosmic consciousness, you see no separation. So you look at the sea and what you see, abundance. And you see yourself being one with the sea and everything that is in the sea. You look out in nature in general, you see abundance and you connect with that. So my brother, my sisters, all I'm saying to you, get in alignment with the true self, your true essence. Because there's a universal consciousness, which is a cosmic consciousness. And there's a universal currency, which is a cosmic currency, which is your real money, which is your real wealth. And I'm saying it all have to do with your mentality. That's the message I really want to get across to you. So with that being said, my brother, my sister, if what I'm saying it makes sense to you and it's helping you in any way, and you haven't subscribed already, I'm encouraging you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, I would like to encourage you to follow me on Instagram at BlackMadGuru. And also, if you haven't taken my course as yet, on my Patreon, it's the Inner Sun Science and Technology, or the Inner Sun Engineering to create your reality consciously. And we are living in a time whereby they're trying to black out the sun, they're trying to dim the sun, and they must have their motive, and you must have your motive why you want to be connected more with the sun and get in touch with the inner sun that is within you. For you're told in the Bible that the Lord thy God is a sun, the S-U-N, and a shield, and no good thing will he withhold from you. Yes, common sense will teach you that the sun has never withhold any good thing from humanity, for the sun is what powers all of humanity and give its energy to all of humanity. Also, you're told in Malachi chapter 4 verses 2 that the sun, yes, the S-U-N, of righteousness shall arise in you with healing in his wings. And I'm saying, when that sun rises within you with healing, it will bring healing to show you your cosmic consciousness and teach you about cosmic money. And you will be able to create your reality consciously and live your life how you want it to be, because you are the operant power and you must operate the power to achieve your every desire. So with all of that being said, my brother, my sisters, I want to say, if you would like to support this work by way of PayPal, we have a link down below, and to check out the link and all the information are down below in the description. Now with all of that being said, I want to say peace, love you all. Go and put what I'm saying to work in your life. Be more connected with your oneness with the universe, and you would get the results that you so desire. So with that being said, I want to say peace, love you all, I'm out.